Many people are familiar with passion twists, but did you know that Afro bulk hair can also create beautiful reverse twists on natural hair? In today's video, I'll be showing you how I used Afro bulk to create reverse twists on natural hair. As usual, I begin by sectioning the hair to make it easier to manage. As you can see, my client's hair is looking really nice and thick. That's because we use products that are perfect for her natural hair texture. I highly recommend Nature's Fusion products if you're looking to maintain moisture and encourage hair growth. Onto the fiber. This is the Afro bulk braiding fiber we are using today. It's already fluffed and very ready for use, which makes the process much easier and faster. After sectioning, I divided each part into smaller pieces for better styling and time management. I will then begin twisting the hair using a method that I love. If you would like to see more twisting techniques, let me know in the comments. And here is the fun part of it. I tie a knot at the quarter mark of the twisted section. Instead of following the curl pattern like we usually do, this time I will be reversing it, twisting in the opposite direction. That's why this technique is called reverse braids. Let's do it one more time. I will be using the same method throughout the entire head. Once the twisting is complete, I apply mousse to help set the style and add shine or hold. Finally, I level the ends to create a neat, finished look. And there we have it, reversed braids that are clean, defined, and full of volume. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural hair tutorials from Linonte Beauty. Thanks for watching.